Everybody knows that motocross riders are very skilled even in fix their own bike, but is this really true? So today we're gonna find it out with a proper challenge, rider versus mechanic. Let's go! Game over! Okay, these are the rules. Once you take the battery, the time starts.
Yeah.
You have to put the battery in through everything with the elastic here, and then put the seat back on, and then the time stops.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
We'll give it a go.
He's more convinced than you.
Yeah, sure. I've never done it before.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no!
Relaxed. You're doing great. I'm 40 now. 40. Oh, I'm okay.
I lost it all with the screw.
I mean, we have to make the mechanic judge because it's his job.
Yeah.
What do you think about his time? Not bad. So, we have a winner, and it's not bad, but we proved that a rider can fix his own bike, more or less.
We'll give it a go.
Ciao ragazzi, ho vinto la sfida e ci vediamo alla prossima.